ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः अंजनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहंतारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम। Namaste. I'll take a few minutes on Namaste, then we'll go into Ramayana. So today's trending this Namaste all over the world. All over the world. It's a very nice time I have with you to share this Namaste. You like this Namaste? All the very nice Namaste. This is Namaste. In Sanskrit, when you say this Namaste, Namaha Te. So you have to split like this. This is Sakara Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi. Namaha plus Te. Te means to you. Namaha means salutations. Salutations to you. This Namaste has become world popular because of Namaste Trump. Just last week, just 10 days back. Oh, Namaste has become the universal. Namaste. Okay? Very interesting. Now, this is what going on all over the world. All world leaders, okay, they started doing like this. Namaste, namaste. Don't touch me, namaste. All over the world. See, they look very nice, na? Very nice. Now see, other leaders also. So they are coming and they are not touching, just to do namaste. We exported this from India. Export quality culture. Right. Here also namaste. Everywhere namaste. Namaste, namaste, namaste. All over. When the top leaders are following this culture, the citizens also, they started following. No, for namaste, this is what is the world demand now. International demand for namaste. Okay? India is a cradle for human race. The third person should come and recognize. So we have that much or the greater culture. Very great culture we have. Now we have to worship our ancestors, the great rishis, munis, and great saints and sages of India, how they taught us. So one day the great culture will be recognized in this world. Now slowly they are recognizing. So we have to thank all the people all around the world. Now they are recognizing. And one more information. Our Gurudev Swami Chinmayanji, he has given talk on why do we do Namaste, why do we touch the feet of elders. Just 5 minutes talk only. So this is in this or that topic only, it is available in YouTube. Those who want to get, you will enjoy this talk. Oh, very hilarious talk. You will enjoy. All 5 minutes you will roll on the ground. No need to go to what you call the laughter club and all. Just you see, watch this, you will understand the highly significant talk on why do we do Namaste. Okay? This is just a commercial break only. Just come on before this. Namaste. So we are exporting this kind of very powerful, we belong to very, very powerful the culture. See, whatever we do, that has got very deeper meaning. Spiritually also and the health wise also. The health wise also no need to touch. Second, spiritual. Why do we do Namaste? When we do Namaste like this, our Gurudev gives explanation. So, Lord in me, Lord in you, the same. Aham Brahmasmi. So, I am none other than that Brahman himself. And what is the presence of Brahman in me? The same Brahman is in you also. We both are same. There is no higher and lower class. Lord in me, Lord in you, say Namaste. So when you do Namaste, we keep our hands near the heart. The Lord is residing in the heart. Now see that. How very nicely they taught us how we have to do Namaste, why we have to do Namaste. Spiritually also we have meaning, and health wise also Now worldwide they recognize now. So the Namaste belongs to this great Bharatiya culture. So you have to be very proud of this. Is this okay? Yes. Commercial break. Now, shall we go into this Ramayana? Right. The first day we studied this. First day means just 2 days back. Not 10 days, just 2 days. So we studied Rama, right. Value-based leader. The second topic, affinity. How to bring the affinity. As much as possible, we have to bring the affinity, then we can execute our thing very easily. That is the point. And third one, training the top leaders. Training the leaders by the top leader. The top leader should train the successor. They have to give power, freedom, all those things. Delegation, planning, delegation of the work, time limit, and power sharing. All the things we studied. Right person for the right work or right job. So whichever the way you want, you put. If you don't like work, you put job, that's all. Right person for the right job, right work. This is what we took yesterday. Okay? Now, so our Sugriva sent the Vanara Sena in 4 directions. So our very important direction, southern direction. In the southern direction only, Ravana kidnapped Sita Devi. He took in southern direction. Rama came to know because of he killed Jatayu. Jatayu informed, this is the direction he took. Oh Rama, you go, you will get her back all the best. Jatayu already blessed Rama. Sugriva also came to know. So we have to send a very special team in southern direction. So he is making team there. Yesterday we have seen Neelam, Jambavandam, Agresan. So Neela, Hanuman, Jambavan. And the leader of this, or that southern direction is Angada. Angada is Vali's son. When Rama finished Vali, he made Angada, so the prince of that Kishkinda Raj. We should not avoid that Vali. Because the father made a mistake, not this boy. So we have to give place, a position to this boy, Vali's son. So Vali's son, he also capable of leading very big team. Now they started going to southern direction, and then and there they take some decision, and so many problems they met on the way. So all the problems were solved by our Angada at the end. So they went and they stopped near the ocean. So hereafter we cannot search, because if there is forest or mountain, they can search. In the water, what will you search? Even if you search, you will get fish and all this crocodile and all. So you cannot search. So when they reach the shore of the ocean, then they have to decide whom we have to send. Because there they get the information about Sita Devi from Sampati. Very interesting thing when you read Valmiki Ramayana, Sampati and Jatayu, great brothers. So where that Jatayu says, oh Rama, Ravana only took Sita in this direction. The Rakshasa took Sita in this direction, he died. Then where he stopped our Sampati, there's Jatayu, Sampati comes and completes the sloka. Half of the sloka is told by Jatayu. Other half of the sloka completed by Sampati. It's a very, very interesting thing when you notice. Sampati told, I am seeing Sita Devi is sitting there. I see, but Nisargataha, by birth we are having that kind of ability to see the long distance, the objects in the long distance. I see Sita Devi is there. Oh, monkeys, if you go there, if somebody goes there, then you can meet Sita Devi. And they got the information from Sampati. So Jatayu said, because of Jatayu, he sent the team of people in southern direction. Sampati also contributed his information. They confirmed, yeah, she is sitting there. Okay. Now they started whom we have to send to Lanka now. So many Vanaras are there, whom to send. Now here, this is the thing, this is the case study. Now we have to see the Angada, the leader here. The Angada was leading this, the southern direction. Vanarasena, Jambavan, the advisor, elderly person, what do you call, senior citizen. Hanuman, the executor. So when you make somewhat that the kind of team leader should be appointed. The team leader, if you appoint the team leader, you have to appoint somewhat the advisor also. Advisor should be the aged person, senior person. Why you have to make this a senior person as advisor? Because he has all kinds of experience in his life. He is unable to do anything physically. He cannot execute. He can tell only the advice. So we have father, father-in-law, mother-in-law, grandfather, grandmother in our house. Always they keep on instructing us, which we don't like actually. Go this way, get up early in the morning, do meditation. Yes, I am doing meditation in the bed only. No, I get up early, take bath, do meditation, chant something, and think about dharma, think about adharma. You have to know about all the things. Always keep on. Then our face will change. Started. Suprabhadam, number 2. The first Suprabhadam, Venkatesh Suprabhadam. Next Suprabhadam, this. The elderly people, they want to talk, they want to share their idea. This is their nature. We have to understand. We should not say, sir, can you keep quiet? Always, when I ask advice, you can give. I don't ask anything. You started giving advice. No. When time comes, I will ask you. You give me advice. Because you are not asking, that's why I am giving. People, we have to, because they have so much of experience. They want to share. Nobody here in this house, they are not listening my word of wisdom. Okay? Father, you have to sit with them, you have to ask 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, sorry, 5 minutes. You are not happy, 10 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. You have to give them some space. Let them share. So in between you have to say, even though you are not listening, so you have to say, Otherwise they will ask, are you listening? All right. So you have to keep them also very happy. Actually speaking, they are not torturing us. We have to understand their nature. They have this bubbling enthusiasm to share their idea and wisdom, which we don't have. So this 4 part of, so we have to understand this elderly people in our house. So we have to give them proper respect and we have to give them proper that space to talk. The knowledge has got 4 parts. One Sanskrit sloka says that, Acharyat padamadatte sishya. Student, you may be gold medalist. Even the gold medalist, you get only 1/4 of the knowledge from your teacher. Acharyat padamadatte. Pada sishya swamedaya. So he has to reflect whatever he received from the teacher, that is not complete knowledge. Only 1/4 of the complete knowledge only you received from your teacher. Other 1/4 you have to reflect. Sishya swamedaya. The third 1/4 you have to learn from your fellow students. Suppose the teacher gives some homework or some project, you should not go immediately, you have to go and show. No. First you go and show. You have to send the other student, go. He will go and he will get so many things from teacher, scolding this and that, all that. Then you have to go to that boy, you collect all the information, you correct whatever the mistake is. Send one more boy also, you also go. And third, fourth, you go. The teacher says, what a great boy, excellent boy, very good. From other mistakes, from others' mistake we learn. Padam sa brahmacharyabhyaha. So whatever they make mistake, from the others' mistake we learn. Padam kalakramena che. Time will teach you the 1/4, last 1/4. So like this only we get complete knowledge. We should not think that because I got gold medal in the university, no. You didn't learn. You are not learning so much from the life. Life will teach. So many experiences. Bad experience should come. Good experience will not learn anything. From the bird experience only, we will learn so many things. Now, the elderly people, those who are sitting in our place, they had this kind of experience. They spent time in their life. They got the wisdom. So, as much as possible, we have to receive this wisdom. In Mahabharata, Bhishma Pitaha fell down. So, he did not die. After the Mahabharata only, he just dropped his body. So, he was waiting. Who is going to win this Mahabharata war? He knows very well that our Yudhishthira only will win the war. So, Yudhishthira won the war. Yudhishthira came every day. He just visited our Bhishma Pitamaha and received the knowledge. All the knowledge he received from Bhishma Pitamaha, and he started ruling this country. So, Yudhishthira also respected our elderly person he received. The advisor should be the older person, the senior most person, and we have to get this experience from that person. So, when we are in the 40s, no, experience is little. 50s, experience we get more. 60s, more experience. 70, more experience. 80, more experience. We have to sit with that person and we have to receive all the information. This will be useful for our life. So, whatever the mistake this person made, or whatever the lessons this person made, we have to receive that, collect the information for our life. For that only, Jambavana sent with this for that team. See how he made very nice team. Leader should be powerful. One advisor should be there. Because whenever we think, we should not think that whatever I think, I am right only. No. So, we have to keep some opposite thought in our life. Opposite person also should be there in our life. But generally, we don't like the opposite thought. Whatever I say, you have to agree. Are you agreeing my thought? Yes, I like you. If I say some idea, if you don't agree with me, I don't like you. Why you are opposing my thought. You are not my friend. Friend means what? Whatever I say, you have to agree. Actually speaking, friend is you have to tell the right thing, not whichever you like. Opposite side, we have to have some opposite person in our life to correct us. We should not think always whatever I think, whatever I do, that is in the right. No. We may go in another direction. We have to keep some people. Advisors should be there. By God's grace, we have to have some kind of the elderly person in our house. We should not get frustrated or irritated by that person. We have to, whenever we see the older person, there is a Jambavan. We have to tell them. They also will be very happy. We can call it Jambu. Give them tea, coffee and respect them. And when we have some problem, we have to sit with this kind of people and discuss and we will get some idea. Some idea we will get. Which they have seen life. So Jambavan's advisor, Hanuman the executor, the powerful person, the skillful person we need to have to execute. The power holding, one person is holding the power, leader. Because he has to sanction. He has to say yes or no. Power holder is one person, advisor is one person, and executor is one person. Getting it? Sometimes in the cricket or the cricket field, so if the person plays very well, if you make that person as a leader, he may lose his skill in the execution. Getting it? I am not telling anything, you know what is what. So it's better you lead. It's better I execute. It's better you give your suggestion. That's a coach is there. And leader is there, captain, and executor is there. It is not necessary that executor should always lead. No need. This is my role, I will do my best. Because see how they formed this team. How to frame the team. Executor is Hanuman here. Team setting and mobilizing the resources. Very important. All the three people, the same leaders, if you suppose if you put three leaders together, they will come back in 5 minutes with a resignation letter. So, everybody has got great idea. They are not coming together to execute. One person should think, other person should say okay, other person should execute. It's very easy. Our work also will be done. There is no problem. They also come together very effectively. So, team, how to build a team, how to set team, and how to mobilize the resource. Very nicely brought out by our Sugriva in the presence of Rama. Very nice leader. You liked it? Now, parallel to this thought. Now, the thought is over in Ramayana. This thought is over. So, I brought little more extra thought parallel to this thought. Okay. Now, see. This is one sloka from Ayodhya Ganda. When Rama went to forest for 14 years, our Bharata went to Rama. He tried his best to bring back Rama to Ayodhya. We know that story. In Valmiki Ramayana, when Bharata went to forest to meet Rama, Rama was asking Bharata, are you running the country very properly? Is this any problem? He was asking more than 70 slokas you find it. 100th Sarga of this Ayodhya Ganda. I note it down. 100th Sarga of Ayodhya Ganda. Those who want to get management thoughts, all more than 70 slokas are available on your table. So one of the points he asks our Bharata, hey Bharata, Kachin Mukhya Mahatsveva Madhyeshu cha Madhyamaha Jaganyasa Jaganyeshu Bhrityaste Tata Yojitaha. Very nice question. Hey Bharata, in your administration, so are you engaging the superior person for the superior work? Okay, mediocre person for the mediocre work, and what's that? Ordinary person for this ordinary work. Inferior is the translation is not good. Ordinary. So ordinary person for ordinary work. Mediocre, mediocre. Higher person for higher level. We are not classifying. We are not classifying these people because of our ego or likes and dislikes. No. They have their capacity. According to their capacity, you have to give the job. Here we should not misunderstand. Here only they come and misunderstand. See, you are classifying. No, we are not classifying. Excuse me, sir. CEO should sit here only. Security should sit here only. You getting it? You cannot say, give equal importance. Security, you go, CEO, CCO, go. Sir. Getting it? Supervisor, your job is there. It's your place. Everybody has got their own place. In their place, they are greater. So we should not take this person is higher, this person is lower. No. See, even a small pin also will make big difference in this shuttle. The NASA shuttle, one pin gone. So the shuttle has gone. One nail has gone, finished. So small, nail also, small bolt nut also will play a very important role. So this is our impurity only makes this kind of higher and lower and middle class problem. So scripture, there is no problem in our scriptures. So we have to find out, oh, this person has got this kind of subtle idea, subtle buddhi. So this person can be engaged here. And this person is little middle, this person can be engaged here. This person is very rough. So you can take this table, put the table and turn the table. More than that, he cannot think, he cannot think. If you give some decision, finished. You have to close the company. To this company. You are getting it? So Rama says, right person for the right job. Are you doing that? Rama is asking. Rama is Lord, we are celebrating his birthday, all those things are okay. The Rama Rajya, how he ruled the country, how he did this administration. So this is my personal suggestion. You go to Ayodhya Kanda, this particular part you will get more information. Those who are studying this management course, please go there and you will get more rich. But Rama says one more thing, that if you have this subordinate or your workers on the particular date, suppose you are releasing your wages, salary, so suppose 5th day of the month or 1st day of the month, you have to release the salary on that day particularly. Rama says, suppose you release instead of 1st, 2nd, they will not happy. That will bring great damage to your system. Rama says, so many great ideas we can get at. Because we don't have much time, just I'm giving information. Go and dig and get so much of information for your companies and office. Okay, this point is very relevant to this context. That's why I brought. And one more thing, Thiruvalluvar. I introduced this nice person, Thiruvalluvar from Tamil Nadu. So every state has got many of the sages and rishis. So we have to salute this great country, Bharat. Every state. So this is called Punya Bhumi. So when we get evolution, the highly evolved soul only will take birth in Bharat Bhumi. This is said in Vishnu Purana. We are all highly evolved soul. People are not telling in our own house, but I am telling you. Evolved soul. Owners, you evolved, I don't believe. We are all evolved soul. Evolved soul only can take birth in Bharata. Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya says that Jantunam Narajanma Durlabam Atapumstvam Tato Viprada Tasmat Vaidika Dharma Marga Parata. If you are taking birth as an Hindu, Vaidika Dharma, in the Vaidika Dharma, if you take birth, Shatakoti Janma Sukrutaihi Punyehi, Shatakoti Janma, Koti, Shatakoti, 100 crores of Janma, we must have done some punya to take birth, human birth in this Vaidika Dharma. You getting it? Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya says, Sanatana Dharma. If you become Sanatana Dharmi, you have large heartedness. You accept all the religions. There is no fanaticism. There is no fanaticism. You worship all the God. You only say Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. Nobody will say that. If you take birth here, the highly evolved soul only can take birth. Like that, every state has got so many great rishis, munis. So one person I introduce you. This person is called Thiruvalluvar. He wrote one book, Thirukural. Relevance is there, that's why, okay? Why unnecessarily Thiruvalluvar is coming here? I will tell you. The context needs, that's why. He has written the book, this book is Thirukural, 133 chapters. Every chapter has got 10 slokas. Therefore, 133 into 10, 1330 sloka verses. Just two lines. In 2 lines, we bring so much of information. Very nice. All written in Tamil and it translated in so many languages. And he brought Dharma, Artha, Kama. Moksha also included. See, he separated the whole book into 3 sections. Dharma, Artha, Kama. No, very nice thing. This book is translated in many languages. Before that, I will tell you, he has taken 3 avatars. Our Thiruvalluvar in Tamil Nadu. Political avatar, okay? In 1935, Thiruvalluvar was looking like this. Rudrakshamala, all Upavita, all what do you call this? Jata. 1935. After that, politically, he took avatar like this. No Jata. No, Jata is just. Jata went backside. So Vibhuti is removed. Rudrakshanam and Vipavida is covered with white cloth. Okay? This is till 2018. And 2019, he took another avatar. Okay? Now 2019, he became like this. All Vibhuti, this and that. Yes. So I say, the traditional Thiruvalluvar has become secular Thiruvalluvar. The secular Thiruvalluvar become traditional Thiruvalluvar. This is what happened in Tamil Nadu, just for information. And he has written a Thirukural. Thirukural very recently translated into Thailand Bhasha. Are you getting it? So last November only 2019, our Modi ji, he just released this Thai Bhasha. You know, in Tamil, Thai means mother. You get it? When say Thai translation means mother tongue translation. Actually, this is Thailand Thai. You are getting it? Thai Bhasha. Thai Bhasha means mother tongue. Thailand, what that? In Thai language, he translated and released this. You know one thing? Modi ji, he memorized one sloka from the Thirukural. He memorized, you just watch that video, he memorized this sloka. Thalachitanda Purulillam Takkarku Velanmai Seidar Poruttu. Without seeing any paper, this and that, just he memorized and he told him that. The meaning is, whatever we earn money, that is for the poor people. You earn the money, spend for the poor people. This is the meaning. This is just for information I am giving you. And our context, for our context, one sloka from Thiruvalluvar. Thiruvalluvar says that, idanal ivan mudikkum endraayinda adanai avan kan vidal. Thiruvalluvar says, if you find the right person for the right job, once if you find the right person for the right job, don't think more than that, just give freedom to that person, let him finish it. Just 2 lines, getting it? So Ramayana's thought, getting it? Ramayana management thought, again same Ramayana, Ayodhya Kanda thought, the same Ramayana you can find in our own what that regional language also. I know you understood. You got it. After having considered this person can accomplish this work by this means, he can use this tool, he can finish this work. Who is that person? Who is that person? Let the king leave with him that discharge of that duty. Just leave him. You understood? I know. And one more point, the context need, that's why I am bringing one more point. One more point, the concept of Varna Dharma. Okay, I am not telling Brahmana, Kshatriya, Sudra, Vaishya. People are allergic to these words. Wherever I go, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Sudra, Vaishya, talk. I want to ask question, talk. Sir, I am not bringing Brahmana. I change the words, you will like it, okay? Now see, scientific classification of science, you like it, okay? Scientific classification of science, physics, botany, zoology, you like it? Yeah, of course. Okay. When you split the science, so all the laws put together, physics, chemistry. Now here we are using this chemistry. Chemistry is not working, that's why we departed. Chemistry of mind. What kind of chemistry? The mental chemistry. This is different. My chemistry is different. We tried, it is not coming together. Kerosene and water, it will not come. If it is milk and water, it will mix. Kerosene water or oil or water, no, chemistry is not working. Why? What happened? Chemistry is not working. We are using that language. So chemistry, you know the field. Botany, we know which kind of field. And zoology, we know. See, you can classify science. Intellectually, we are convinced. You agree, I know. I am not asking, are you agreeing? You agreed. We agreed and we studied. There is no conflicts here. So classification, scientific classification of tree, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and root. We cannot tell that you should not classify the tree. Tree is tree, that's all. Leaves, tree. Fruits, a tree. Root, no. Tree. So when you come into this category, we are classifying. Okay, the classification is there. Yeah. The same way when you come in towards a human system, scientific classification of human system. So our ancestors are the great rishis, they classified thinkers, administrators, traders and workers. I am not using Sanskrit name. When you use Sanskrit word, they will say, hi, I am coming for the fight. Okay. No. So our people are great actually. Brahmanoho samukamasid bahura janyakritaha uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padhyagum shudro ajayata. Because they are ready for the fight. That's why they are looking for some problem. If somebody they don't like, the person doesn't like us, they are waiting for some chance. They are waiting for some chance. Now I am bringing the third. Classification of science, classification of the tree, classification of, here only we will not agree. So, now very perfect structure. Chaturvarnam maya srishtam gunakarma vibhagasya, very perfect. There is no problem in the system. And those who are handling this system, they created a problem. So one person thought that I am superior, other person thought I am inferior. Because your problem, you made chaos in the system. System is not the problem. You should not blame the system. Our ancestors are great people. But when we apply, we made this kind of problem. Anywhere, here this kind of problem, when you go to foreign countries, a color problem. I am not telling which color, you know that. Color problem. Suppose go to other countries, that rich and poor problem. So wherever you go, problem will be there in different formation. The problem comes because of the likes and dislikes of this personality. It's coming out. So we need to have something to beat, that's all. Here we have very comfortable thing, thinkers, administrators, traders. Hereafter, don't use this Sanskrit name, you use this English name. There is no problem. After your class only they will understand, oh, this is what this fellow told. By the time you can escape. Thinker, okay, administrator, trader and worker. Okay, the four very nice classifications. According to nature of mind only they classified. They are not classified according to your birth. No, they never agreed like this. According to nature's mind, because nowadays you see the 16 lakh people applied for the government job. So the government post is just 8,000 the government post, 16 lakh people applied. Who will get? So everybody wants, I have to go to government job. Once if I entered, everything is confirmed till my last breath. Okay, whether I work, whether I don't work, I'm comfortable. You getting it? Less work, more security and more profit. Nobody should ask me whether are you working or not. I don't like that. Even my own house, nobody will ask. Wherever I go, I have job security, more money, less work. You see that everybody is going behind that. Then we are telling unemployment. Yeah, we will get unemployment. Everybody should find their own mental structure. According to that, we have to select our job. Whether we get money or not, first we will get job satisfaction. Once if you get job satisfaction, automatically your skill will develop. Once if your skill develop, you will be recognized, you will get more position, money, power, everything. This is what Bhagavad Gita says. Arjuna wanted to become sannyasi. He said, no. It looks very easy, but it is very difficult for you. Don't go. Don't go. I have Bhiksha Patram. Yeah, Krishna, you also come with me. I have two Bhiksha Patram I have. One for me, one for you. And Rudraksha also I have two. One for me. Come with me. Krishna, no. You are not thinker, you are not trader, you are administrator, you are Kshatriya. You have to be here and work. When Ashoka had in the history, after Kalinga war, he got upset. When Krishna would have been there, he would not have allowed Ashoka to become sannyasi. You getting it? No, Kshatriya, we lost Kshatriya power. That's why we came down in 1,000 years. India lost the Kshatriya power. The Kshatriyas should have been very powerful to protect these people from this, all the evil forces. We lost that. The Krishna said, hey, Kshatriya, you have to do. Kill all your enemies there. And we got different thought that Krishna is asking to kill his own guru and own grandfather, Bhishma Drona. Arjuna got very nice chance to hit guru. Krishna also recommending. I am not getting that kind of chance. Whoever it may be in the field of this war, you have to do your karma. This is your nature of mind. According to your nature, you have to go. You bring your skill here. So, what kind of liberation the sannyasi is getting by meditating in the forest, same thing you will get through this war. Yatsankai prapite sthanam tadyogairapi gamyate. So you just go. According to your mental structure, you do your best to the society and you will reach. You getting it? Thinker class, administrator, trader and worker. You like it? Yeah. Thinker. All the teachers, okay, professors, everything will come here. I cannot bring all the photograph. So you have to understand. All subtle words, thinker class. Only think. They will not do physical work. They will sit in the AC room, this kind of chair. They will not go. They will not. They turn like this. I get it. Because thinking, the physical activity is very less for them. That's why those who are thinking they should not have non-vegetarian food or heavy food. Because the thinker, if they take this kind of food, heavy food, they go and sit in front of the computer. Tong. They will fall on the computer. The less food, more thinking. What do you call it? Research development department. In those days, just 2 years back, car was like this. Then after that, car became like this. You're getting the back side. Why? thinking, the research and development department, this is thinking people. And this is protecting administrator and what that, all kinds of military, administration, leaders. The third person, trader. So he has to produce what the money. The fourth person, he has to work. Physical work also, the worker class also is. We are not classifying this according to their birth. Classification according. See, right person should go to right field. You getting it? Suppose this person, what do you call the commerce person. This person goes and sit in the, what that, very high post. See, he will sell the country by what that, putting to 4 direction. South direction goes to, or east direction, China, you take it. Pakistan did. Lanka did. Hello, commerce person. You will sell the country, you getting it? Yo. Right person. So the Kshatriya should rule the country. Now you see our country. You getting it? Kshatriya should rule the country. The administrator. Nobody knows what will come next. One by one. Sir, this 1 year, 4 project. Give some time to breathe, okay? In 1 year, you brought this many projects, 4 more years, we do not know what will happen. Finish. Administrate. Protect the people from all the evil forces, okay? No, protect the country, give all the, I am not doing for this people, I am doing for Indians. See that view. Those who are living in this company, this country, you are the Indian, that's all. What you have done for this people, this will not, all people, those who are living this Bharatiya, that's all. So everybody should get. See, you have to appreciate the fatherly heart of the person. You know whom I am telling. In one few places I went, I told the person's name, they kept quiet. If I say the powerful leader Narendra Modi, half of the people didn't come next class. They kept quiet. You would appreciate. We need to have this kind of leader. See the personal people of his own, what that, relatives, how they live. You come to Tamil Nadu, we will show you. Our leaders. We need to, so we have to pray God, they have to live long to serve this country, to uplift this country. Because 1,000 years we have fallen. Thousands of years. Vivekananda Swami came and he just pushed this country. Now only we got this. When we walk on this earth, we feel proud now. The feeling is very proud. When you go to other country, where are you coming from? India. Chandrayaan 2, even though it is not touching, but we have sent. Chandrayaan 2, sir. You getting it? Only Bhagavan Chandra did not allow us to touch him. We went there. Chandrayaan, you getting it? Oh, we are from that country. You getting it? We are from that country. What that? To the Mars. First attempt, it went there. First attempt. People are looking at what is happening in India. All good things are happening. You getting it? So the right person should sit in the right place for the welfare of the world. You getting it? Yeah, you got it. I know that. Now say a little. This, our Vedic mantra, Rigveda mantra says, Brahmano hosya mukham asit. Mukham means the head. The thinkers have come from here, the head of the Lord. And the Kshatriya, they have come from Bahu. Are you getting it? Bahu. That's why Krishna has, E Mahabahu. Mahabahu means Kshatriya. Again and again he is reminding us. He is not asking, oh, thinker. Yeah. No. E Mahabahu. Yeah, me only. Again, Mahabahu. And Vaishya have come from Lord's thigh. Uru tadasya yad Vaishya. From the feet, what is that? The worker class. You getting it? All these 4 people, according to the mental structure, Lord only created them. You are getting it? There is no superior or inferior feeling. Just he created to keep this society balanced. Now see. Now, suppose somebody comes and hit you. Okay? He hits you. About to hit. Not hit. The person cannot hit you because you are very strong. Suppose a person comes and hits. At that time, what will you do? Oh. Person comes. Immediately your head says that, hey, this person is attacking you now. Head works. You agree? Head works. So when head works, immediately what is that? Hand go. Okay. Now, are you getting it? The person comes, immediately your head says, hey, this person comes and is going to hit you. Immediately you will stand like this, ne? You will stand like this. Is going to hit you. Now see the pose. Immediately you do like this, okay? Kshatriya. It has to, if some or that dangerous thing comes to you, your country, the Kshatriya should come and protect. You getting it? To protect Kshatriya, the Vaishya, the economic strength you should have. Are you getting it? It has to support, the thigh has to support. The whole system should be based on this leg. Are you getting it? To protect the human system, you need to have 4 systems. Are you getting 4 aspects? The same way, to protect a family or a company or a society or the country, we need to have these 4. All our people are great people. Our people, our ancestors, they are not having likes and dislikes. They worked for the welfare of the world. Actually, we have the Lord Vishwanatha, not Indianatha. Are you getting it? You getting it? Vishwanatha, Vishwa, the Vishwa. You getting it? Jagadishwari. Are you getting it? Not India Ishwari. Yeah, Jagadishwari, Vishwanatha, Jagannatha. You see the Lord's name. So our ancestors, they have given this kind of knowledge to protect the whole world. Universal out. Oh, we belong to powerful that culture. We have to say, yes, I am Sanatana Dharmi, with all proud feel. You getting it? Yeah, you got it, I know. The point is, right person for the right job. So many places, because I like you, I will give you a nice job. Finished. He will spoil that work, he will spoil our name also. We have to quit that place and we have to resign our job because we brought this nice person for the right job. You only brought this man, you have given the recommendation letter to this, for this spoil. No. I like you, that is different matter. You have the ability for this work, that's a different matter. We should have that kind of, the discrimination. Right person for the right job, for the welfare of the world. Now, one more example. You like this? I brought today sugar, okay? Today's sugar. Sugar. Now, if you want to make very nice coffee, perfect, nice filter coffee of South India. Perfect coffee. You have to take one Janma to go to South India to take this perfect filter. Nowhere in the world will get. Those who went to foreign countries, you take the coffee. First time I went, they gave me coffee. You just go from Chennai to somewhere, other part of the world you go. And once if you arrive there, do you have coffee? Yeah, I want to have. Why? I'm coming from South India. Very much fond of this. They took gave coffee, big bottle, the big tumbler. You just, to smell it's very heavenly. Kashayam. Very deep kashayam. The best coffee you will find in Tamil Nadu. Some group of people, they make very nice filter coffee. Right color, right everything is right, perfect coffee. You need to have water, you need to have milk, you need to have the coffee, you need to have sugar. All these 4 things in right proportion. You will have perfect coffee. Even to make a perfect coffee, you need to have 4 things in right proportion. Nah? You have to agree. Simple coffee, sir. Simple coffee to make simple, very perfect coffee, right proportion. Suppose water is more. Is this coffee? Suppose milk is more. Hey, what is this? This is meant for children. Suppose you put more coffee. I think you are aiming at me to kill me by putting this kind of. To kill me only you make this much powder. Some of you put more sugar. This is kheer. This is not payasam. This is not for coffee. More sugar, kheer, payasam. Right proportion. To run a nice for that company, you need to have think about the development, the research and development department, office department, worker class, and administration class also. Any company. Oh, all. If any or the department goes down, finished. The same way, society also, same way, country also, finished. You understood the concept. So, right person for the right job. So, this point we can get from this Ramayana, this how to make team. This is the team, and we have to see all the department, everybody should work properly, and we should have proper amount of personalities also in that particular place. Suppose the thinking class is going on with no development you feel. So, development will come because of thinking, and the production will come because of this, what the administration are getting it, worker class, because of this, what the department, the money. So, you will mobilize the money. Suppose money goes down, finished. So, all the department we have to be very careful to run a company, to run a society or a country. Okay. Now, you are the right person for the right job is our point. So, parallel to this point, I brought one point from what that Ayodhya Kanda, one point from Thirukural, and one more point from what that Purusha Sukta. You understood. Now, going to testing the abilities of the member. Suppose you have the big team, we have to test what kind of abilities they have. Now, here also they had some very nice incident. They came to the ocean, okay? Now, who has to fly to Lanka? They found that Sita Devi is in Lanka. Who will fly? Sampati told, Sita is sitting there. They found that theoretically or information they got, Sampati told Sita Devi, said, everybody got inspired and everybody got up. All the Vanaras got up. Bhutale sagare vapi shaileshu cha vaneshu cha patalasyapi va madhyena mama achidyate gatihi. Everybody says, I can go here, I can do this, that. So if you ask something, if they got inspiration, okay, they get inspiration, they will talk so many things. I alone will do. Nobody I want. I can do in one day. I can do this. I can do this. This is collective response, okay? Angada noticed this. All the people are giving what the inspiring talks, inspiring message, okay? All are inspired. Now, again one more what the sloka from Thirukural. It is easy to say, rare it is the ability to do what one says. It is very easy to say, I can finish it. They will say and they will disappear. We have seen so many places. And they will forget completely. Oh, you don't worry, tomorrow morning 6:30 I will be there, you don't worry, I will take you to the airport. 6:30 you are waiting. You call them, no, not picking up. Why? Deep sleep. They commit, they disappear. It is easy to tell for anyone, it is very, very difficult to practice, execute. சொல்லுதல் யாருக்கும் எளிய அறியவாம் சொல்லிய வண்ணம் செயல். Very simple sentence, very, very easy. All the monkeys, they came forward, I can do this, I can go there, I can bring Sita. All small monkeys, they are coming. I can go and I can bring Sita. Other monkey comes, hey, I will do this, you keep quiet. Angada was watching, what is everybody is talking here? Angada is very powerful leader, very sharp person, like Vali. Now Angada says that, Angadasya vachashrutva na kaschid kinchita abravite smiteva abhavat sarvasa satatra harivagini. Angada asks, now everybody please silent, everybody kept quiet. Now Angada says, now I will ask one question, you have to answer. Sometimes you ask, so who is the founder of this and that? Who wrote this Purana? Who wrote this Itihasa? Who killed Vishnu Pitamaha? Everybody, those who are working as a teacher and a professor, they know. If you ask one question, all the students will get up. Then the professor says, no, no, no. I appreciate your answer. Your teamwork I appreciate. Please sit down. I will ask one by one. You can answer. Nobody will look at professor. The same way, Angadasya vacha shrutva. After hearing Angada's word, na kinchite, na kaschite, kinchita abarvite. Everybody could. This is very nice. Angadas, no, I will ask you, then you can tell. One question I will ask. When Angadas, because when they come together with when they get inspiration, they will jump here and then they will talk so many things. Okay, I appreciate you. I will ask. Na Angadas. Nahivo gamane sangaha kadachid kasyachid bhavet bhruvatvam yasya ya shaktihi plavane plavagrishaba. Bhruvadvam yasya ya shaktihi. Now you tell me, who has got how much ability to fly? So silent. All the Vanaras kept silence. It's very difficult to see this kind of scene. Bhruvadvam yasya ya shakti. Now you tell me, who will fly how much was that distance? Oh, one monkey got up. He only told, I will go and bring Sita Devi. He said, now, Angada, what is your ability? Sir, 10 kilometers, sir. After that, I will fall into ocean. I will die there. Jala Samadhi, sir. One monkey said, oh, only 10 kilometers, then I will die. Okay, now I understand your ability. You only told I will go and bring. Silent, okay? Yes, sir. Okay. Second monkey, what is your ability? 15 kilometers, sir. Then Divam Gata. I will go to other world, that's all. After that, because the ocean is very vast now. 100 yojanas. Other monkey, you get up, so he says 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers, like this, everybody has. Angada, leader, now say leadership. Now Hanuman is not coming here, Angada's role here. Hanuman is not asking or Jambavan is not asking. Jambavan knows his role, he will not come. Whenever the time needs, then only Jambavan will come. Hanuman also, what's that? Kept quiet. Hanuman already, he kept quiet and chanting Rama, 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 meditating on Rama. So all the monkeys were asked. Okay, these monkeys were giving the information. This much, this much, this much. Now, we stop this episode here. And one information we have to get, because we are also handling people in our own house also. No need to run any institution. So how to handle this kind of situation? When they get this kind of inspiration, the leader should know how to find out the abilities. First, this technique we should know. How to find out the individual ability. In some kind of meeting when we conduct, so we cannot write like that. We have to ask each and every one what their opinion. Why? The decision is very dangerous decision. If I write in the menu or that book, so all people will run away. But the decision is very dangerous decision, like very risky decision. So your opinion, I will write. Your opinion also will write. If something goes with this risky decision, then we can take the book. You told like this. You told like, oh, have you recorded? Yeah. This decision is very risky. So you have to be little careful when we take this kind of decision. So how to test the ability? Individually we have to ask, not collectively. Any professor wants to know how the capacities of the ability of the student, the professor should ask, now you explain this concept. No, I explained to you. You explain this concept, you explain this concept. Otherwise everybody will contribute. Professor will not know who is good, who is not good. Because of the concept, half of the concept is explained by this student. Other half he will do. The last person will get up. Therefore, professor, hey, you are concluding, but already these people contributed. What is your opinion? Whatever they told, that is my opinion, professor. So what is this? You tell me your idea. How to identify the ability? This is very, very important. Very important. And you see, the collective response will be always like this only. We cannot go with collective response. They will disappear. They'll disappear. Collective response is not good for some decision. So individual response is very, very important. Individually you tell me how much you contribute, you tell me. Suppose sometimes we run some program, some what that fundraising program, fund mobilizing program. So you just sell the ticket. And this person, you just print 1,000, the leaves. All people, 1,000, other person, 2,000, other 5,000. So with the collective response we printed, then that disappeared. We have to sell all 5,000 tickets there. And individually we have to ask, now you tell me how much we can do. You commit. How much we can do. So everybody committed this many, or that the amount of this ticket. According to that we can print. Because you commit, you know your ability. How many friends you have, how much tickets you can sell. You getting it? This is what our Angada was doing there. Testing the ability is very, very important. Otherwise, we will be in a risky position. Okay? Now, going to next. Leader should get the job done. Very, very difficult work. Highly difficult job for the leader, how to get the job done. You have your children in your house. You know how to get 100 mark. You know how to get 100 mark. So you are, what is that? Teaching these concepts. Then the children are studying 9th, 10th. Okay, plus 2. 10th standard and plus 2. They have their samsara, ocean of samsara, that place. You have to teach them and you have to tell them how to write, how to present everything. They don't understand, they are not executing it. So all father, mother's job now, all over the world it's going on. Why? When they get January, February, March, finished. Father is in the tension, mother is tension or tension. Because they are studying 10th standard, 12th standard, competition is very high. You present in this way, you read in this way, you write in this way. Getting work done from the people when the children is very difficult. Get up early in the morning. Yeah, 7:30 I get up. Early da, 7:30. For me early means 7:30. Get up early in the morning, read, no. Study this, memorize, no. You know, to wake these children up in the early morning, what a great task. You 6 o'clock you are school. From the 5 o'clock you are start. Get up, better, get up. Get up. You are invoking my Rakshasa in me. Actually, I am divine. Getting work done. Eat this work, whatever I cook, you have to eat. No, I don't like. I like only restaurant food. So whatever you like, it's very difficult to what that. Get this work done through these people. It's very, very difficult job. That's why many people, when you say that you are the leader, sir, they're happy, but they do not know what risk is lying down there. Hey, you are the company leader, just 1 week. 1 week very happy. See, position, all the promotion, this and that. And they go, sir, I want to go back to my own seat. I was very happy in that seat. Why? I was doing my job. Now only I understand this is, I thought this is a rose bed. Thanks, sir. I don't want. Because getting work done from the people, you need to have different, the ability. Oh, it's very, very difficult. They will not give. They will not give, but you have to get. They have everything, all the job they have. But you just pull it out, they will not give. Somehow you have to get it from them. This is called leadership. Man, it's very difficult. Leader should get the job done. Now, it is very nice thought by our Jambavan. Now, all the monkeys were telling this much I can move, this much I can move. Now, finally, leader also should say that how much leader can fly. Otherwise, ordinary monkeys will say, see, he asked us. The monkeys will say, ordinary monkeys. No, see, next he will ask you only. You will tell 100 kilometers. Or you will tell just 10 kilometers, that's why you will be escaped. Otherwise, they will put you have to fly, be careful. The monkeys also will talk. When leader talks on the podium, the other people also look, hey, be careful, you don't commit, if you say 90 kilometers, they will try you. You say 20 kilometers, you will escape. Because risky job, da. Be careful. And many people are sitting there in that, but the Vanaras, and then now see, he asked everybody. We also told. But he is not telling about his capacity. What kind of leader is he? They will talk like this. When you asked me, then, sir, one humble question, sir. Angada, sir. Sir, can I ask you one question? Angada said, yes, of course you can ask. Sir, I am asking very humbly, okay? Don't mistake me. This is not my view. This is view of all the Vanaras. Sometimes we tell our view, but we will bring other people also. Sir, this is not mine. Otherwise, I will be targeted. How dare that you are asking this question in the public, okay? You come out after the program, you meet me. After the program, you meet me means finished. That is the last day of that person, that company. So the person is very good. Sir, Angada sir, you ask the question, everybody, can I ask one question? What is your ability, sir? So leader also to tell his own ability. So now see, leader, very honest person, very nice person, good person, Angada. When he is leading, he should not hide his own ability. He has to tell. Angada says, Ahamedat Gamishyami Yojananam Shatam Mahat. Angada says, this is my ability. I can fly 100 Yojana, I can reach for the Lanka. Nivartane tu me Shaktihi Syat, na Veti, na Nishchitam. I will reach Lanka. I do not know whether I come back or not. This is my ability. Angada says that. Because Vali Putra is not very ordinary person, very powerful personality. I can reach. I know my ability. We know our ability, whether we can do it or not. You come to regularly to Vedanta class, I cannot. Ramayana, I can. Why only stories? Sometimes you can sleep. You come to philosophy, impossible. Why? I know my ability. Before prayer, I will sleep. It's very difficult. Oh, the Lord is everywhere. Brahman is everywhere. He is in you. He is inside. He is outside. He is everywhere. Oh, He only created everything. He only swallows. Lord is one. Lord is in every form. Then you take the phone. We are not receiving any call. Simply you take the phone. Oh, okay. I will come outside. I will talk. Escape. Why you are not going to philosophy class? You are not learning. So I cannot. I know my ability, sir. These organizers also, you come to class. Whenever they meet these organizers in the supermarket, they will run away. Oh, that person is coming, you run away from this place. They are coming and asking, come to Ramayana, come to Mahabharata. Ayyo, I don't have that ability to sit 1 hour, 1.5 hours. We know our ability. Our leader should have this ability. What's your ability? Leader says, I can go there, 100 or the yojanas I can fly, but I cannot come back. I do not know. I am not definite. I may come, I may not come, but I can fly. This is the ability of the leader. Leader also should contribute. So every leader should know that only because he has got the power, I will ask only the question. Nobody has got the right to ask me question, okay? And they will say, okay, sir. They will say, okay. Behind, they will talk all the bad things. Now, nobody will talk bad things about Angada. Just straightforward. This is my ability, that's all. The leader is very straightforward. His intention is very right. After his power also, he will be respected. Otherwise, still he has got the position power, he will be respected. Sir, sir. When he goes, sir. You getting it? Because the leader is very powerful. After his what the time period also will be respected. We will respect him. Because value he has got. He has got this kind of value. Angada is very powerful. He says, I can fly. But I do not know whether I can come back or not. When Angada says like this, now Jambavan comes. Jambavan says, Angada, I appreciate your ability. Now somebody should go. But he did not ask Hanuman. Hanuman was sitting somewhere else. He missed Hanuman. He did not ask Hanuman. Because when he was focusing all the Vanaras, Hanuman was sitting somewhere and chanting Rama, Rama, Rama. If ordinary person would have been there, Hanuman will come. Ordinary Hanuman, yeah, I will go. No, no. Unless you ask me, I will not come and I will not take this. You give me a job, I will do it. I will not come. If you ask me, then I will tell. Hanuman was sitting somewhere. Here Jambavan comes. Now Jambavan is taking his role now. So far Angada, leader was leading the group. Now Jambavan comes. Because leader is going with subordinates. At that time, Jambavan comes. Hey, stop it, stop it. You should not have. You told your ability, appreciated. But Angada, you are a leader. You should not fly. You should not take this kind of risk. He says, Nahi preshayita tata swami preshe katanshana. So you are the leader. Leader should not take this kind of risky job. Leader should be there always. You have to lead the group. So leaving this team, if you go, something happens to you on the way, we don't know whom to select as the next leader, but we have to get approval from Sugriva. Sugriva is sitting somewhere. It's very difficult. If something happens to a subordinate, we can do something. If something happens to leader, we do not know how to take the team. So therefore, Nahi preshayita tate swami preshya katanchane bhavatayam jana sarva preshya. You have to lead all the group. Plavaga sattama. This is my opinion. This is the wisdom. Are you getting it? This is the message of wisdom. Now Jambavan comes. The leader should not take this kind of. You have to send the monkey to that place and work done through the monkey. You should not do this. Even though you have ability, you should not do this. You're getting it? So we have to understand here very positively. Many leaders we should not take. That's why I'm not doing anything you do. You're getting it? There is a possibility of misinterpreting this sloka. The leader should have this ability, but leader should not take. The leader's job, you have to get work done from the people. You should not do that. But you should have the ability. Getting it? This is the idea of Jambava. If something happens, suppose we are arranging some tour. So just, we are arranging some tour. Where? Chardham. Chardham tour. All senior people only will come. Young people not come. And they say, I have finished my life. On the way, if something happens, I am very happy. Organizers, sir, don't tell like this. You will be happy, you will be going somewhere else. But all people will ask question. And that old person says, that is up to you, your karma, you have to handle. But I will go there. All what the senior citizen, you have to take this people for Chardham. Other people also, we are going to Chardham, we are going to Chardham, Chardham, Chardham. Bye. Bye means for the last. You take the people, when you go on the, because very tedious journey, very tedious. Now they got what that, some kind of the flight, what do you call it? Helicopter also. The climatic condition, the food system and the accommodation, so many things, and the pressure, stress in your mind, and so many things are there. Just you are going there. Something happened to this leader. Leader fell into sick, or leader disappeared somewhere in the forest. That means leader went and sat in the meditation, inspired. Leader got inspired by the Himalayas and went. All detachment. Like Buddha, the leader went inside some forest. I am not worrying about this world. Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya. Other people are searching leader. Now see the condition of this group. Leader only knows everything. All the accommodation, all the return ticket. Nobody will return to their home, they will return to other place. Sir, we have other commitment, we have to go back, return ticket. Where is the return ticket? What is the next plan? All the things this person is taking a decision. When this person disappears, the whole team will get confused. Getting it? So leader should be there, the responsible person. If something happens to some member, leader will lead. If leader disappears, oh, the problem will be more. So this is the point, keeping this point in his mind, our Jambavan came, no, leader should not take up this kind of work. Hey, Angada, appreciated your inspiration, appreciated your commitment, you should not, you have to find some other one. Some other person you have to find. Then only our Jambavan comes and what is looking for? Hanuman. Where is Hanuman? Hanuman, where are you? He is sitting somewhere and chanting Rama, 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 Rama. Jambavan's idea, leader should not take. This is the positive way. So leader should, so I studied Ramayana. Jambavan told leader should not do anything. So you bring coffee, you keep on my table and you people do. And you come and you inform me all the things, I will look into it. Leader will not do even exercise also. Leader got this kind of chair is given to leader. Not get up. No Surya Namaskara, no jogging, no walking, nothing. Just eat. Pakoda, bonda and coffee juice. Why? Jambavan told leader should not. Reference from scripture also. This is what Arjuna did. Arjuna said, oh, according to Ahimsa, I should not kill this and that. Sir, this is weakness. This is based on weakness you are talking. You are not talking on the sattvic mind. You getting it? So you have to do everything. You have to sit there. At any time you have to do. But you should not do. So it's very peculiar that position of the leader. You have to understand properly here. Okay? The thought, the leadership thought here, leader must have the ability to do everything. I know you agree that. Suppose you have this, that car, BMW car you have. So much you spent, you got the car. So much of money you spent. You ordered this car, this kind of color. Left side black color, right side white color. This kind of facility. The seat should have. Suppose if I turn, the seat automatically will push you like this. Oh, all the facilities here. In foreign countries, if you sit, where you want this hot towards that air, there you will get hot air. Here or here, backward. Just to sit, the seat will massage you. All the facilities. Wow. Extraordinary comforts. Even Brahma also will come. If Brahmaji comes and sees this kind of car, who created this car? Brahma, all kinds of facility. Actually, this is not car, this is what the flight. This car should fly. Actually, it's going on the road. Oh, all technology they brought into this car. So we spend all money, you worked very hard, you spend all money, brought nice car. But you do not know how many engines the car has got. Whether the car is moving on petrol or diesel, that I do not know. How many wheels? Definitely I do not know. So how many kilometers after how many kilometers I have to do service? I do nothing. But I like this car I bought. You just bring one driver, finished. Driver first he will understand the owner's mindset. He will understand that the owner doesn't know anything. Come on, nice owner. You getting it? Yes. So remaining thing I no need to tell, you know that. When you get this kind of the thing, first you should know top to bottom. Whenever the always is telling the electronic problem, the tire problem, puncture problem, this and why you are not coming on the time, puncture. Then electronic problem is not working. You getting it? Because you do not know, the other people can mislead. So this owner should know top to bottom. Now leader should know all the things to do in that company. The accounts department, I know what is going on in the account. The worker, if the worker is not coming, I'm ready to go in front of the machine, and I know how to operate the machine. I know how to operate the machine. I know how to see these accounts. I know if it is ready, I know how to clean this, wipe out this floor also. You getting it? From top to bottom, he is ready to do any work. If this leader is having this kind of ability, nobody will come and will challenge the leader. Otherwise, if leader is weak, then I will not come to this job. The leader, you go. If you are not coming, go. I am very happy. Go. I will take care. Hey, what kind of leader you are? I can do any kind of job in this company. You getting it? Powerful leader. Leader should have the ability to do everything, but leader should not. When emergency comes, at that time you have to do. Emergency comes. Emergency period we are ready to do. We should have the ability, but we should not do. Our job we have to get, leader should get the work done from the people. That is very main job. I will not leave you because the company is offering the money. We are giving the salary. This is your job you have to do. My job, I have to see that whether you are doing this job or not. This is the leader's job. Are you getting it? Capacity to communicate the ideas, firstly. Sometimes I was there in one place, one person asked me to do one project. I didn't understand what he is telling. I asked him, sir, I don't understand what is your project. He got angry. Then after that, you have to manage that situation. I told, I understood, sir. Because if you ask question, he gets angry. Just 2 years back only. I will not tell where, when, who. No. Sir, he gets angry. Simply, hey, sir, I understood, sir. I didn't get what is conveying, but I did something. But he asked me, suppose the person asked me to do some alwa. I made pongal. Something he asked, this pongal, he give this pongal. He said, I asked you to make alwa. Now I understood, I will make alwa now. You getting it? You do something, you show it to him. If he says some correction, you correct it, then you will come to your level. Getting it or not? Otherwise, if you ask question, he is getting angry. Unnecessary, the rupture will get, the friction will get. This is how you have to manage. But the manager, the top person should know how to communicate the idea properly. And one more thing, supervise the job, supervising the task, follow it up. When you give some job, you have to follow it up, otherwise they will drop and they will fly away. Every now and then, have you started the work? Have you started the work? Particularly when you give your dress to the tailor, okay? So a costly dress, tailor, some tailor. Suppose you are stitching the coat for some marriage function, your own marriage. Coat. Sir, have you started? Almost finished, only the button I have to stitch. But actually he lost our cloth. Only button work. And you have to follow. Have you started? How it's going on? The leader's job, you have to follow. How many people you have, so many follow-up you have to do. It's very difficult. They will not take, once if they find your call, they will not pick up. Boss is calling from the morning. So what kind of reason I can tell? So because you are not picking up, he is sending that message, particularly this WhatsApp. Because once if you open the WhatsApp, the blue tick will come. Boss, you have noticed my message. You didn't reply. So you have to say, boss, no, don't touch it. Because you open the green tick or blue tick, finish. Don't. Boss, okay. Don't pick up. He will ask us, he will send someone. Then he will say. Then at that time you have to go and lie down in the hospital, the ICU unit. You have to follow it up, otherwise they will escape from the job. You follow it up. All the things you have to do. Communicate idea, follow up, then you have to get work done from the people. Very, very difficult job, but you have to do. You have to have all the ability. Suppose this person is tracking the work, we have to go and finish the job and emergency period, you have to finish. So Angada had this kind of ability. Our Jambavan came and Jambavan told, even though you have ability, you should not go. You have to send some other person to finish this job. This is the thing. One more idea I'll give you. In Ramayana, Dasaratha's name is Dasaratha. Yeah, Dasaratha only. That's the king Dasaratha. Why he has got Dasha? Dasha means 10. Ratha. Literally, if you take, one person can ride the chariot in 10 directions. Dasharatha. So literally we cannot take, 10 chariots cannot be, what is that? Cannot be handled by one person. Dasaratha means at one time he can handle 10 tasks. You can see the power of Dasaratha. One time. I'm not telling you at the same time he is looking this job, that job. No. So if you take the 10 tasks, I have the ability to follow up the 10 tasks. Some people have that kind of ability. And some people just only one task they will not do. One task. What is that? Go and inform these people, finished. They will go inform, they will go to home. The feedback will not be there. I have sent you to inform, where did you go? I went to my home, that's all. But you have to inform. I thought tomorrow I will inform. Sir, if I know whether you informed or not, so based on your information, I have to do other work. You're getting it? So one task you are not able. First you have to like the job, you have to love the job. Whatever we do, we have to like it. When we like, we get the satisfaction. Then we get all. So the people are conducting so many, what do you call the conferences, all this, how to get creativity. How to be creative. Sir, give me one chair there, I will come there. People are scolding me, I am not getting any creativity. Simple. If you like job, you will get creativity. Yeah, no need to attend this and that. No need to have any idea. Just if you like, you get creativity. If you like. If you like how to keep your house very nicely, you will get all the creativity. You will break the wall first. Bring some, some kind of thing, and you will hang something. And you will decorate. So people go, who has done this interior decoration? Have you studied interior decoration? Yeah. Who has done? You? Yeah. Oh, you are very humble? Yeah. How did you know all this? Comes. Yogic power. Sir, this is not yogic power. If you love that job, you will get great. If mother knows how to cook, the mother has got the taste in cooking. Different what the variety she makes. No need to go to YouTube channel. No. She knows that. Morning she made idli. So nobody is eating that fresh idli. So she kept this idli in the evening. Put something and what's that mixing? They say 4 o'clock she gives. So people, oh, what a great food, nice, wow. Oh, mom, how you made it? Actually, morning I gave them. The fresh idli they didn't like. Evening I mixed something. You see creativity, okay? Creativity comes because you involve in the subject, creativity will come. Simple. Very simple. You like, you involve, creativity will come. Very simple. Okay? Now see, the leader should take up, should get the job from the people, and leader should know everything and should not do unless the emergency period comes. All these practical points, practical message we are getting from Ramayana. So tomorrow we will see this point. Okay? Recognize your own ability. We should not say I am useless. I am not telling I am useless. People are telling I am useless. Okay. So tomorrow we will see how to recognize our ability. What kind of ability I have, then I have to bring out. Tomorrow we will see, okay? Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasye Purnamadaye Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.